Sirens screamed as Jacob drove the bulldozer through darkness, chasing control he'd already lost. One wrong turn, one glance back, and everything changed forever that night for him and everyone.
Stop the car! Hey! Put it down! Stop it! Stop it right now! Stop it! Stop it! Watch crossfire! Watch crossfire! Get out! Get out right now! Get out!
They ran from me. I'm just sitting on the road.
Get out! Stop! Go get in front of him!
What's his last name? Billy? It's gonna be Jacob Whitemore.
Let's get some close to the block again. Let's get chain on this thing.
No, you're not. Show me your hand. No, you're not. Hey, watch him right here. Get out.
Let's get some cars to try to block them in. Also get K9 this way.
Watch him, Mike. I hit you. Somebody stay in their car and follow him. I don't know. I'll follow him. As long as he's on the road, stay with him. Julius needs to stay by inside because he's trying to get back and run inside.
Okay, I'll stick around. Y'all got 3 heading that way.
We're not going to pursue him on the roadway.
Tell him we're walking. We're walking.
Keep walking with it as soon as it gets up.
Where did they go? Down here?
Yeah, I didn't see where they were staging. I knew, make sure everybody's in the area. He called off everybody in the area.
Oh, they be right here. He's in somebody else's yard now. Get out! Hey, watch that car.
Watch out, he's gonna ram you.
Hey, be ready. Be ready. Be ready. He's gonna make a run for it. Nope. gets there, you can rip that door up and let it. Yep. Jackson, go that way.
Is there a way to open that back hatch and disable it while he's driving it?
Already tried that. He hit me with the backhoe whenever we tried to get near it.
Don't let him get to the garage or that.
Dumbass! Watch out, you got really bad drivers coming behind you. They almost hit Hughes.
He has felony warrants. He has felony warrants. We're allowed to be here. Thank you. There's already door to that van. It's running. Don't let him in. Yeah.
Stay back! Y'all need to stay back right now! I don't give a f***! Stay back! Stay back! No, he has warrants. No, he has warrants. You need to stay back right now. He has warrants.
I don't care. I don't care. I'll get him.
No,
don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Y'all need to stay back. Y'all need to stay.
Hey,
stay
I will
back.
get him out of here.
No, stay back.
Oh, you what? Oh, you what? Yeah, can you stop it? I swear to God, stop it. Hey, swear to God. If you stop it and get out, I'll let you smoke. You have warrants. Turn it on, I'll let you smoke. I swear to God. We're gonna let you get a cigarette, dude. Just step out of the bulldozer. Not the
Quit touching me.
Y'all need to stay back.
Quit touching me. Let me get him. I'll get him.
No.
I'll get him out. I promise you I'll get him out, man.
Hey!
He's coming out.
Hey, I can get him out. Get off of him. I'll get him out. I'll get him out. Hey, get back. Hey, get back. Watch out. Hey, watch out.
Jacob, we're not. Come on, step out.
I just told you.
Jacob, I'll let you smoke.
Quit touching me.
Stay back.
I just
Y'all need to get back.
quit f***ing touching me.
I said get back. Get back. Get back.
You're good. You're good.
I'm the police. Get back.
This is my property.
Yeah, stay back.
Shut the f*** up.
Y'all need to stay back.
I'll let you smoke. Chill out. Yes.
What the f out here for, bro? I didn't do nothing wrong. But how did y'all know? But I ain't doing nothing wrong. I'm not doing nothing wrong. You're taking me away from my kid, bro.
I know you just had a
Mom, what the f? Mom,
No.
what the f?
Leave me alone.
What the f is this a bell?
You put your hand on me.
Because I told you to get back. You need to stay back.
This is my property.
That doesn't matter.
Dad, what the f? This is private property.
I know it. And he put his hands on me.
Don't put your hands on my wife.
Y'all need to stay
You
back.
need to get off
Stay.
my property.
I shouldn't have stopped, bro.
You walked away. What the hell?
Let me hold my mom. Let me hold my mom.
Stay back. Stay back.
Bro.
You need to stay back.
Jacob.
Stay back.
I will.
No, you're not.
I'm talking
Stay
to him.
back.
I've done changed my life. I haven't even done nothing.
Get out of my face.
Stay back.
Motherfucker.
Stay back. You need to stay back too.
Get on my mom.
Stay back.
I was talking to Jacob.
I know, honey.
Y'all need to stay back.
Please, they said I could have one. Hurry up. I'm going to be sick. I changed my life.
Well, now you gotta get this shit passed and you'll be good.
What the f, bro? How many charges I just catch?
That's up to the rest of the officers.
What the f? What the f? Bro, I don't have no.
We got to check. We got to do our due diligence.
Yeah, all right, buddy. Just do what you gotta do.
You listen to me from the
Hurry
start.
up.
I told you to smoke.
I'm sorry, bro, because I don't know why y'all here. I don't want to go to
You need to
jail.
stop to talk to us. I told you.
Well, now you've had even more charges.
What the f?
You didn't stop when we told you
What the
to.
f are y'all even here for?
You have warrants. Quite a
Why
lot.
are y'all here? This is
For
private
warrants.
property.
For you. That's what for you.
But this is private property.
It doesn't matter. You have warrants, which means we can come onto private property.
He has changed his life.
He has, but he has warrants.
And then he's going to get some more charges for today.
What's he getting charged for today?
At least fleeing, because he didn't stop when we told him to. And also he hit me with the backhoe, so charged
He
with that.
didn't hit you with the backhoe.
It's on camera. All of us.
Is it on camera that you put a voice on?
Yep, it's right here on camera because you didn't listen.
Can I hit the cigarette a couple times? Or what? A couple more times. Mom, get the cigarette. Please give me the cigarette. Let me hit the cigarette one more time. One more time, bro. Please.
That's it. Last time. One drag. You better make it good. Come on, get in the car.
Yeah, get in there, bro. He good.
One more time.
Can I get a lawyer?
Come on. Watch your head.
It's okay. Tensions are really high. We just want to get this done safely. See this vent? This is where he hit me with the backhoe.
He hit you?
He hit me with the backhoe, and then I missed it and he hit the van.
No, did he? Are you okay?
Right, yeah, in my head. He hit me with the backhoe. Hit me right in the head, and then, so the arm hit me, and then the bucket hit this van right here. Because I tried to open up the door, he swung it around, hit me with it, and hit the van too. So that's why we're acting the way we are. Because
I understand.
Did it leave a mark on my head where it hit me?
It's like, yeah, red. Yeah.
Yeah. Can you take a picture of that?
You got a little blood or something. I don't know if it's red or something.
I have a birthmark right there on my head. If it's like a little dot. Yeah, it's a birthmark.
But that's red from that.
Balance scale plea, guilty or not guilty. He pleaded not guilty in court during his arraignment. Money bag bond, bail. Judge set his bond at $10,000. Pushpin what not guilty means. Not guilty does not mean innocent. It means he is challenging the charges. The case will go through trial or further hearings. The court must prove the charges beyond reasonable doubt. Receipt current legal status. Charges, white heavy checkmark filed. Plea, crossmark not guilty. Final verdict, hourglass not done not decided yet, case ongoing.